Ko Mark Shanahan, tako angawa, ko Aute Tumawaki, Autakura Waitakere College. We had the opportunity for the redevelopment of the Assembly Hall. This is our whare for the community. It's what we call the soul of the school. So making sure this room, this whare had a great connection with people was really important.
I'm Stephen Nightingale and Head of Music and Performing Arts. We approached Sharp because we had a long-standing relationship with the company to see what they would recommend, and the suggestion was the video walls. They are used intensively and just a great communication tool and a nice visual tool for our students.
Students love it. Students love it. The feedback from the kids is pretty awesome. Their big thing is they sit in here and they are totally engaged. They sit back, they relax, they see the information. They can really celebrate their peers because they can see, first of all, their names on screens. Nothing beats a parent or a student seeing their own name on a screen.
They are just wowed by the clarity of those screens. It doesn't matter if our hall curtains are drawn back and we've got a lot of daylight streaming into the venue, the clarity doesn't suffer.
What I find with Sharp is they're problem solvers, and that's the key thing. And so we know how, in terms of getting any infrastructure in a school is tricky. The installation was crucial, and we know there's always challenges with installation and anything around technology, but all those problems have been solved.
The installation went smoothly, so we had it all kind of set in about half an hour or so. Due to their size, the clarity, their ability to punch through daylight is a clear winners on all those aspects. So it certainly has been a step forward and a great improvement for what we're wanting to do. We've had a long-standing relationship with Sharp over the years, always very quick to answer any questions or queries that we may have.
Sharp's been our go-to for years, has never let us down, so it's a no-brainer. You guys have just looked for solutions, so you want the best bang for buck for a school, and we want the best bang for a buck for a school, so it's a really good symbiotic relationship.